Today a customer called us because their garbage disposal isn't working. First thing you do is you check to make sure, to see if there's a humming. Okay, if there is a humming, that means that the electrical is working, but the garbage disposal itself is actually jammed. If you flip the switch on and there's no sound at all, that means that the electrical isn't working. If the electrical isn't working, then there's usually a red reset button on the bottom of most of the garbage disposals. If your garbage disposal is jammed, then there should be a hole in the center of the bottom of the garbage disposal where this Allen wrench should fit. Turn it back and forth to free up the garbage disposal. That thing's making a lot of noise. There's probably something in there that we gotta get out. It's always scary to reach your hand down inside there. Dad took over. If you turn it back and forth while it's upside down, you can hopefully free whatever's in there and it'll drop out. To remount it, this ring spins onto this mount. You gotta make sure that all 3 tabs lock on. When you're all done, fill up the sink halfway, unplug it, and let it run through the garbage disposal while it's on. To test for any leaks.